Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G73, and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration options available on this Motorola. First of all, go into Settings. Now tap on Sound and Vibration. Following that, you need to scroll down, tap on Vibration and Haptics, and enable them by tapping on this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics. You can disable this option by tapping on the same No Blue switcher. Finally, manage all of those options however you wish though. You can switch on or off outgoing call vibration, ring vibration, and also manage feature vibrate first then ring gradually. You can also switch on or off vibrations for your notifications and alarms. Last but not least, click on those two switchers to manage touch vibrations and media ones. When you're ready, tap on the back button. Over here, you can scroll down and click on the switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to turn off or on those two features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!